In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to claim the tuition tax credit using TurboTax. If you paid qualified education expenses and want to make sure you get the tax benefits you may be eligible for, TurboTax makes the process fairly straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go so you can find the education section and begin entering your tuition information correctly. To get started, open your return in TurboTax and go to the federal section. This is where TurboTax organizes the parts of your tax return related to income, deductions, and credits at the federal level. Since tuition tax credits are handled as part of your federal return, this is the right place to begin. Once you're in federal, click on Deductions and Credits. This area includes a wide range of tax breaks, so if you're looking for education-related benefits, you'll find them here. Take your time and make sure you're in the correct section before moving on. Next, locate the Expenses and Scholarships area and click Start. This is the section TurboTax uses for education expenses, including tuition and related school costs. If you have forms such as a tuition statement from your school, it's a good idea to have them ready before you continue, because TurboTax may ask you to enter details directly from those documents. After that, when TurboTax asks the relevant question on screen, click Yes. This confirms that you do have education expenses or information to enter. Answering this correctly is important because it tells TurboTax to continue into the education credit workflow instead of skipping past it. Then click Continue to move forward. At this point, you've successfully entered the section where TurboTax can help determine whether you qualify for a tuition-related credit. The program will guide you through the next screens based on your answers. From there, just follow the steps that TurboTax provides. It will typically walk you through entering your education details, reviewing the student information, and checking whether your expenses qualify for a credit. Read each screen carefully and enter the information exactly as it appears on your tax documents. That helps reduce mistakes and gives TurboTax the best chance of calculating the correct credit for you. As you go, make sure everything matches your records, especially school forms and payment details. If something looks off, pause and review it before submitting your return. And that's it. Once you've followed the prompts, TurboTax will handle the calculation and apply the tuition tax credit if you qualify.